Good evening to everyone. So in this video, I will demonstrate on how to select records from multiple tables with and without alias. So first, let's go to the without alias first. So to select records, just use the command select, then from select, then TBL students. So this time we will specify where every column came from. So TBL students that last name, then TBL students that student number, then TBL students that last name, then TBL students that first name, then TBL students that college ID, then TBL college that college ID, the college code, I should say college code, and then TBL students that course ID, then TBL course, then that course code, then TBL students from major ID, TBL students that major ID, then TBL major that major. Okay, from what table? So from TBL students, TBL college, TBL course, then TBL major, then we were using the where clause. Okay, TBL students the college ID is equal to TBL college dot college ID, then and for the next one, the TBL students the course ID is equal to TBL course dot course ID. And for the last one, so TBL students that major ID is equal to TBL major that major ID. So once you're done, terminate it with a semicolon. So as you can see, we have already displayed the student number, the last name, the first name, then the college ID, the college code, the course ID, the course code, the major ID, then the major, of course the major. Now this time we will also do the other way with the alias. So instead of TBL students, we will use letter S. So S that every TBL students we will use the alias S, then I will just edit my command or my statement. And then for the TVL college, we will use the C for the college. Okay, for every student is S. Then the TVL course, let's use the R. And then for the major, we will use the M, the letter M, and then okay, there. Okay, for the next one, which is the from, we will also modify this from TVL students. We will just add letter S for the students. Then for the TVL college, let's add C. Then for the course, let's add R. Then for the TVL major, let's just add M. Okay, for the next one, where statement. Okay, just editing my statements here. So where, okay, we will also edit edit or my statements. So yes, that college ID, and then for the TVL college, we will just use the C, then click enter. Okay, for the next one, from for the course RID, we will just use R for the course ID, for the table course, I should say. Then for the students is S. Then for the next one, for the major, M, and then for the student is S. Okay, let's try. So as you can see, they have displayed the same records for the student number, last name, the first name, the college ID, and so on. So that's how to select. That's how to select multiple records from multiple tables, but in different way. So that's all, and thank you.